Ukraine wants to buy Apache multi-mission attack helicopters. Apache is a twin-engine, four-blade, multi-mission attack helicopter designed as a highly stable aerial weapons delivery platform. The helicopter is designed as a weapons delivery platform and is equipped with a M230E1, 30mm automatic gun, aerial rockets system, 2.75-inch folding fin, and point target weapons system, Hellfire missiles. It is highly mobile, lethal, and can destroy armor, personnel, and material targets in obscured battlefield conditions at ranges out to 8 kilometers. They have advanced laser, infrared and target acquisition and designation as well as other systems used to locate, track and attack targets.